Hello mga kakintab! Today's video, I'm going to harvest my sweet chards. So ito na yung itsura ng aking sweet chards. Ready to harvest na sila. Ayan, I did plant 3 groups of sweet chards. Ito naman yung isa. They look good and healthy, and also they are organic. And this one right here, I'm not gonna harvest it yet. Maybe I wait until next week because they are still small. So ito yung i-harvest ko ngayon, yung dalawang group ng sweet chards. At ipapakita ko sa screen kung ano ang makukuha nating benefits pag kumain tayo ng sweet chards. Alam nyo ba mga kakintab na ang sweet chards is considered one of the world's healthiest vegetables and also packed with antioxidant. So maganda talaga pag magtanim tayo ng vegetables at or lalo na pag organic. And also sweet chard is an excellent source of vitamins A, K, and C. Vitamin C is beneficial for supporting a healthy immune system, while vitamin A support eye health, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. At ito din ay pwede nyo ring lutuin. So masarap ito pag sauteed or incorporated in soup, stir fry, and pasta dish. So ito din yung mga sa screen ang mga benefits na makukuha natin sa sweet chards. Masaya talaga pag nakaka-harvest ka na sa mga itinanim mo. Ayan, malapit nang mapuno yung aking pail, ice cream pail ng sweet chards. Ayan na siya. Yan na yung itsura. Ang saya. So I will finish the other group of sweet chard dito sa kabila. Yung anak ko sa background. Yung anak ko rin gusto din magtatanim. Gustong-gusto niya 'yan. Ang saya pag naka-harvest ka na sa mga itinanim mo. Medyo mahangin. Nice weather. Nice and sunny. So ayan, malapit na, ito na yung last, pangalawang group of sweet chards na i-harvest ko ngayong araw na to.
Mom, I love you so much, Mom.
Love you too.
What are you doing? I don't know how to use that.
Harvesting some sweet chards.
I know how to use that, Mom. Well, like this? Hi. This is sweet chards, guys. Sweet chards.
That's
Sweet
right.
chards.
Swiss chard.
Yes. And look at the tomatoes over there.
Yung anak ko guys, gustong-gusto talaga magsalita sa camera. Ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ayan, at saka ito na yung itsura ng aking sweet chards ngayon. Pagkatapos kong ma-harvest, medyo sad sila tingnan, pero the more na kukuha kayo ng mga leaves, the more sila mag-produce ng dahon. The more they get productive. So ayan na yung itsura. At saka yung ice cream pail ko na puno na ng sweet chards, dahon ng sweet chards. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat. Have a good day everyone. Bye!